What's up, fuckers? I'm in. That's awesome. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's see if we can deepen this mic a little bit. Okay, beautiful. Bitrate's looking good. My voice is sounding fucking scrumptious per usual. I'm gonna get the twitch.tv/bootlegbilly1 dashboard up real quick, and then we'll get this fucking gravy train rolling, alright? Alright. So, what the fuck am I up to? Billy. Bootleg Billy. Billy B2. What are you up to, man? That's a great question. I'm working on... I haven't uploaded the code yet. I am working on the app for Billy's Big File Server. Now, you might be wondering, what the fuck is Billy's Big File Server? That's a great question. So, up in fucking chat, right, I just posted a link. I'll pin it. That is a link to the BBFS. BBFS, for those of you wondering what the fuck it is a end-to-end encrypted file server with a Rust backend and a Go front end, right? Oops, let me have my viewer count. I don't want to see that shit. Yep. So, damn, I have a sinus infection, so I probably look and sound like shit. I know I have the fucking do-rag on. Got my ass raised yesterday. Gotta take care of it. You know what I'm saying? Just some water all over myself too. Let's get it. That's a good fucking start. I think that means it's time to stream. We've had a few failures. We're 2 minutes in. I didn't upload VOD like I said I would yesterday. Mostly because I wasn't fucking feeling it. But we will see about today. My goal with this Twitch channel, right, is to fucking expedite, or to, like, you know, I want to have more of an online presence in general, right? Since I realized, since getting laid off from fly.io, that having some sort of presence is incredibly important for getting hired, right? As well as, like, you know, I mean, the fact that, like, this is actually useful to people, you know, I mean, somebody, right? Because people can come into chat, they can ask questions about what the fuck I'm working on. God damn it, I forgot to upload, I forgot to update the stream name, son of a bitch. Oh, fuck, that's alright. God damn it. Hold on, wait, I might put that, oh, yo, I can edit stream title, let's get it. Hacking away on a Go native app. Okay. I'll call. Oh, what the fuck? Why is my stream? My bitrate's fucked up. Yeah, I know I kind of goofy ass shit Twitch is yapping about. My bitrate looks fine on OBS. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad though for y'all. But yeah, hacking away on a Go native app. Billy's live. And then I'll add a tag Go lane. Excellent. Fucking beautiful. The stream info updated successfully? Alright. Anyway, what the fuck was I saying? I hope stuff like this can be useful, you know what I'm saying? Like, having... Why is my LSP not... loaded? Anyway, all that builds, having content for people that want to learn how to program. Because, like, this is a cool-ass project. It's fully open source. And the creators online, so you can ask them questions and shit. Hack on it with them. You know. Him or her, of course, yeah. With them. But, yeah, I don't know. I just want to build something cool. And I want to talk about it. Son of a fucking bitch, come on. Okay, my language server's loading. Why no color? I would like some color, please. Can I please have color back in my Emacs? I'm kidding. So this is not a Golang stream, actually. That was very silly of me. This is actually a debugging Emacs stream. Right. Let me rebuild the mix, just in case. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna No, I was gonna say I'm gonna reveal it over here in case any of my packages are like private, but my whole Nix config is available online on GitHub. So yeah. I gotta figure out this whole Twitch game, man. To be fair, right? Like I don't get many viewers, right? And I'm not really sure how to fix that. I guess, or if it's something that needs to be fixed in terms of like I spend a lot of time. How do I say? I don't know. Like I'll maybe what the fuck? Maybe the times I stream are just inopportune. You know what I mean? Go mode. Okay, there we go. Emacs wasn't broken. I'm just a goofy goober. Okay, so, right. Previously on Dragon Ball Z, right? Oops, whoopsie. Whoopsie. Come on, let me make sure my audio is working real quick. Okay. There's probably gonna be some terrible fucking echo in that moment. But yeah, it appears to be the case, right? So, can I mute this shit? Jesus, I want to hear my fucking voice. Anyway, so previously on Dragon Ball Z, right? We were working on the app, right? Oops, sorry. I'm not fucking pro for stream at all. Can you guys tell? I was watching some YouTube, right? Made some scrumptious fucking dinner. Just eating that shit. Got a little depressed, per usual, you know what I'm saying? If you guys want to talk about the big stat, also there for it. That shit sucks. But, I was like, man, I gotta get off my ass and work on the business. Because this is a business for me, guys. I mean, like, not now, I don't make any fucking money. But my goal, right, is to have, get paid from this shit at some point. Instead of it being a really long side project. But, what I was saying, right, is, I don't know. Oh, previously on Dragon Ball Z. So, we got the app running fairly quickly, right? If I run the app, give that a sec to cook. We get, I mean, look at this shit. Ooh, ignore the weird Wayland shit going on. Anyway, yeah, so, look, I mean, it lists the files that you have, right? There's a checkbox. Shit's crazy. Nothing really happens, just true false. We can click on a file. There's a full file view with two things. The name of the file and the size of it. But that's still fucking sick, guys. That's sick as fuck. Excuse me. Jesus. Anyway, So, right. Next, what I want to do, right, is have an authentication page, right? You're not going to log in the app. You're actually going to log in on the BBFS site. Since there's some nice, like Cloudflare, right? And then some backend, I don't know. Actually, besides the Cloudflare, there's really no good reason. I mean, you can sign up for the app, like, pretty easily. I just feel like linking to the website makes more sense, since I don't want to keep a login implementation in the app. You feel me? You guys feel me? No cap. For real. Anyway, Jesus Christ. Sorry, fuck. Oh man. Okay, authentication page, let's get it right. So we should actually start on the authentication page, in my opinion, and then move into the files page, right? I'll do some refactoring later. Let's create a new function real quick, right? So over here we initialize the app state. We just get the client and master key, and then list our files, right? Blah blah blah, whatever. Right. Let's move this into a new function called init app state. Probably should. I love Golang. I have to capitalize the. Anyway, yeah, pass in context. cigarette sounds gross. I'll mute myself because I need to like blow my nose or some shit. Yeah, let's get that fucking context feeling beautiful. Alright. So, and then let's return, oops, CTS, return state, context out with that, whatever. Cool. Cool. Okay, so, my bitrate still says it's unstable. Let me try to figure out why that is. Do I have Steam open? Oh, I do. Yeah, let me close that shit. LOL. No, I don't show my games. Oh, whatever, that's okay. You get to see my spicy Apex plays. I'm saying my fucking 0 kills on that shit. Anyway, though, alright. So, you should probably have some, like, fucking text widgets, right? So how do you do this shit again? It's like label, right? Title, label, widget dot new label, BFS, right? And then we'll have like a login button and a sign up button, right? I wish I could fucking make like go run dot just like automatically refresh, but it's alright. I need to center this. I need to center the title and everything else in it. I don't want it to be like off on the left. Did I center anything before? I don't think so, right? Let me take a look real quick. No, it doesn't look like it. Unlucky. Oops. Okay. We'll worry about that later. Okay, so for now, login button is to widget new button. Right? Login. I need to stop worrying about looks for now, right? One of the things that I learned quite a bit at Fly, a little nugget of wisdom, is you need to focus first, right? This is just like one-on-one advice, but like minimum viable product. Doesn't have to look good, just has to work, right? From there expand, right? So that's what I should do. That's what I've been trying to do with BBFS, right? I've added some like fuck shit, like functionality that doesn't really need to. Fuck shit is not a technical term, by the way. But I've done some fuck shit with it. But like for the most part, like I've tried to focus on just getting it to just work for now, and then later, trying to add like interesting functionality or like handle like stupid shit like unlikely errors. For example, if you visit the live site right now, like $10, it'll have some internal server. Let me take a look. BDFS. So I'm running a local copy of the server, obviously, right? If I go to the live site, /files, whatever the fuck. $10, internal server. Oh, nothing. That's shocking. Oh, not logged in. Yeah, I'm not logging in on fucking on Twitch, like live, to be quite honest, man. Here, let me link to all the code as well, man. Fucking, there we go. Billy's Big File. I didn't say it. Billy's Big File Search. Just sent the link in Twitch chat. Let's get up. Go take a look. Go take a little look. See, it's pretty cool. Sorry, y'all. Had a little sniffle for a moment. Okay, so let's have a login button. Sign up button first. Right, and then a login button. Okay, cool. So when that sign up button's pressed, so this is the thing I need to figure out, right? And low key, since I don't think I have anybody watching, no, I might ask, what is it called? Artificial intelligence to help us out here. And by us, I mean, of course, me. Because I can't be fucked to, yeah, no, I want to try messing with local AI, right? I got StarCoder 2, which is apparently very good, like, programming LLM. Just sip my fucking water. Oh, man, scrumptious. That was so fucking delicious. Anyway, let's ask fucking artificial intelligence. Hi, I like to. Okay, no. I don't need to ask for this, right? I can do this out. I need a clickable URL and find first off, right? And then, if possible, I want to open a fucking a web view. I know it's called like a web view on Android and iOS. And then on Linux, I just open up Linux and on desktop, I would just open up the URL, right? Using the OS's like handler for URLs. You know, so in this case, like it'd be Firefox for my shit. And on mobile, I'd want to either open a web view or just open up a link to the URL. Let's just get the link to the URL for working first. It's like the easiest way to do it. Minimum MVP, right? Minimum viable product. Fine documentation. Let's open that shit up. Oh my god, I'm dying. Alright, let's take a little look, see, right? Fucking. Widget list, that's a good idea. Oh shit, okay. There's a hyperlink widget. That's so fucking sick. That's so sick. Okay, new. Okay, this is good. This is good. New hyperlink with style. That's why. I'm a simple man with a simple set of things that I want. Okay, fucking. It's to URL.must part. Is that not a thing? Oh, I have to import URL. No. Son of a bitch. URL.must parts, right? Do I have to do part? Okay. Anyway, fine. Okay. Login URL. And then there's not going to be an error because I know the URL is valid. It's URL dot parse, right? HTTP. Oh, fuck. God damn it. I'll just point it to localhost :4000 / sign up. DL token is equal to that shit in a second. So for those of you wondering, hey Boo, what the fuck is a DL token? Jesus Christ. Anyway, okay. So let me think about explaining this. I'm sorry. Give me 1 second. So when logging into the BBFS service, right? I need to let the user securely log in. You know, like as in by securely, I don't want to send data to Elixir Phoenix, which is the authentication server from the app, the CLI. I want them to log in through that shit. You know, have Cloudflare, all that. Cloudflare and captures and all that shit. Prevent bots. Anyway, I want all that. Is what I'm saying, right? So I need a way to be able to pass some authentication tokens from BBFS to whatever client, right? In this case, the app. So what I've elected to do, right, is the client generates a random DL token, is what it's called, download token, whatever, right? Random string of like characters, basically, right? And then after the user logs in, the client can get that login data for about 60 seconds from the server by querying a specific API with that DL token. Does that make sense? Yeah, that makes sense. It's saying my stream is still unstable. I'm not sure what to do. I mean, I know I'm not fucking downloading anything crazy. Hold on. Yeah. I mean, I have Spotify open with some Minecraft music. Shit's bumping, shit's popping. I need a fucking. I need goals, right? I don't know, man. I don't know how to make my Twitch streams bigger. To be fair, right? It's a very small pod. Software and game development, the category on Twitch. It is a very small group that I'm trying to get to. I don't know, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Let's focus on this. Anyway, yeah. So let's say DL token is equal to wow, that's this fucking Minecraft music. Goddamn, shit's kind of slapping. Anyway, I don't remember how I generated the DL tokens last time, so I'm just gonna look at the CLI for BBFS. There is a CLI. It's very cool. It's not very good, but it's very cool. Okay, auth DL token is equal to whatever. Oh, it's just a UUID. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I probably would do some shit like that. Okay, if error is not equal to nil, guess what, baby? We are panicking. Panicking. Billy, you have the voice of a fucking angel. God damn, I know, man. Thank you. Billy, you're also kind of a narcissist. Dude, I fucking know. Okay. Do I not have XCG open? Really? Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Let me get that shit real quick. XCG open. Alright. But this fuck me. It's called XCG utils, not open. Anyway, let's try that again. But this should work though. It looks like when I click the link. I mean, I need a fucking better link than this shit. Sorry, smack the mic again. So how does new hyperlink work? What does it do? Okay. Like, could I have a hyperlink within a button? Right? See, this is what I was scared for. Hi, can I have a hyperlink within a button using the Find Go framework? Not a nice GPU, so hopefully this won't take too long to cook up. A tags. What? Okay, it seems to know what find is though, right? No, you're misunderstanding. Okay, how do buttons work? That's a better question, right? Because if I can, emulate the button like layout while still having not GI UI. If I can emulate like how buttons look, we'll still have my nice hyperlink. Actually, fuck me. Okay, I'm getting distracted. This is bad, right? But let me cook for 1 second. Okay, because this isn't a web browser, right? Find is its own framework. It doesn't use fucking what's the Chrome Electron or whatever, or anything like that, right? So there has to be some sort of like function that functionality that happens when you click it, right? That's within the find.io like library. So I can just find that and then literally copy paste it into the button function. That's like the easiest way of doing this. Okay. Where is it tapped? Invoke action is interesting. Untapped. Ah, fuck me. Okay. Oh, find out open URL. Okay, there is a function. Fuck yeah. Let's fucking get it. Let's get it, gamers. Find out open. Okay, what is current app? What is this shit? Okay, cool. Cool. Login URL. if I rerun this shit. Oops, they're both signed up. Whatever, doesn't matter. Oh shit, it worked. Okay, you can't see it on my screen. You can't see it on my screen. It opened it up in my nice Firefox and not shitty, ugly Chromium. But it worked. Okay, awesome. This is good. This is very good. This is very good. Okay, so we just do the same shit, but for the sign up URL, the sign up button, find our current app, .open URL. Yo, there's a storage API? Oh, this is good. This is good. Alright. What's going on here? Okay, whatever. The OS file API is another day, right? Or maybe today. Maybe today. Who knows? We'll see if we have time. Oh man, I'm trying to keep myself up, like not like awake. I'll have no trouble with that. But like, oh, that's sad. That's sad. I'm trying to keep myself like energetic to just avoid the calm down. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, okay. So I forget how the auth thing works. If I click on sign up, will it keep the DL token shit? No, it won't. Ah, son of a bitch. That blows. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I know this for the log. Okay, for the login DL token API shit, right? The auth path specifically, right? Does one of two things. If you're logged in, it'll route you to a button that says like, hey, this user's logged in and wants to log in. You know, an application wants to log into BDFS, just confirmation out, right? And then if you're not logged in, it takes you to the login page. I need the sign up URL to go to the sign up page. I think this should work though, right? Okay. So when you click the button, no, this should be the off page. It's just really start page. So when you click the sign up or login button, right? No matter what you're doing, the app should wait for you to sign in, right? Right. Sorry. The app should wait for you to sign in. Excuse me. And then once you're signed in, download your token, and then take you into the like app state page, or not the app state page. What is it called? The files page. So let's do that. Let's fucking do that, boys. Okay. So then func auth page, ctx context.context, wfind.window, return find.canvas object. This might not be like the best way to interface with find, but I don't see an issue with it yet. I haven't like run into any big problems besides having to have like kind of chunky context. Because the context stores a pointer to the app state, but like even then, chunky, it's like not that big a deal. Dude, are you fucking fat phobic or something? The answer's no, by the way. I think everyone treats you with love and respect. Anyway, okay, so, sorry, let me think for a moment. Oh my god, guys, I found my fucking glasses. So happy about that shit. I have missed these bad boys. I look kind of good. Let me take off my do-rag, actually, speaking of. Holy shit. It looked like a goober. There we go. Yeah, my little hair is sticking up in the back. It's very nice. It's very beautiful. Awesome. Okay. Okay, so we should open up the URL, right? This is like always errors. Okay. If sorry. Sorry. Okay. So I'm sorry. what I'm saying is, I'm sorry. Anyway, w.set content to auth page. Either way, right? TTX and pass in the window. I don't know if this is kind of yucky, what I'm doing here, but I'm pretty sure W is a pointer. Or, yeah, just find out Windows interface, so by default, or naturally has to be a pointer to a specific instance of an object. Cool. WSF content, all that shit. Awesome. Okay, yes, baby, blank page, let's fucking go. Okay, so then on the auth page, right, we should have a link to the login. That's where we should have a link, right? But depending on whether it's... Sorry, I'm gonna check that out real quick. I just got a cute little text. I've been told my mic audio has a bit of echo. Let me see if I can fix that. Sorry guys, just one moment. Okay, let me mute the Minecraft. Let me fuck with OBS for one moment. I hope... Hold on, do I not have desktop audio as a source? Is there no music? Is it just my fucking beautiful voice, really? Hold on, that might be really funny. Damn. Okay, question. Is the echo fixed now? Echo fixed now. Oopsies. All right. Yes, awesome. Okay, I figured out the issue. Let's just remove this. Also, secondary question. Hold on, let me play my beautiful Minecraft music again. Is that audible? The Minecraft music? Because it doesn't look like it is on OBS. But I might be wrong. Hold on, it stopped playing for a sec. Let me skip to some random song. Boop. I can't hear it. Okay, what about now? You like this live debugging? I fucking love it. Live fixing the stream. How about now? Okay, hold on. I got a mole. I have a commentator on my Twitch chat, on my Twitch stream. I heard it a second ago. Okay, that's fine. It's working now. There's like a latency to the stream. Anyway, that's cute. I have viewers now. Well, viewer singular, but fuck yeah. Very nice. Alright, let's continue with whatever the fuck I was doing. Okay, so I got the authentication page working, right? Oops, shit. Okay, let's fix that. Beautiful. Okay, so if I click login, you can't see it, but on my Firefox, it opened up the login page, right? And then if I just paste that link over here, right? Works beautifully, works fucking beautifully. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, right, is we're going to, it's loud, Jesus. Okay, I'm so lost. Okay, what we're gonna do next is, on the authentication page, depending on whether or not we're opening up a link to sign up or log in, we should show that URL on the auth page, right? It says, you know, waiting We should say something like, hold on. Waiting, secret 2. New label. Waiting for you to log in. If you haven't. Okay. And say auth URL is equal to widget dot new label. If you haven't, can't type, please open, and then it'll be a link to whatever auth URL that we were using. So waiting and auth URL. Okay. I don't know why the fuck I pressed my phone's audio like that's gonna do shit. Okay, if you haven't, please open, and then the URL, right? URL. Yeah, no, just auth URL is fine. Okay, so let's run this bad boy. Open that shit up. Oh, that's fucking scrumptious. That's goddamn beautiful. Please, let's rename this to please open, or whatever the fuck we want to call this widget. Sorry guys. Okay. So we can just make a fucking function for auth page login, right? With the login URL. Oh shit, no, hold on. No, I can't do that. This is gross, by the way, what the fuck I'm doing. Because I can make this one function pretty easily, but... Oh, wait, I'm being kind of a fucking idiot. Okay, I forgot that, functions are a thing, and I can just pass the URL as an argument. Widget dot new hyperlink. Please open. And then HTTP. Oh no. That would just literally paste in the URL. And then, oh fuck, hold on, son of a bitch. URL, and then make that a pointer. Just go things, lads. Just go. Oops, fuck. Anyway, yeah, make that URL. Cool. Or make the URL a string. Jesus, I don't know how to fucking speak. Cool. Passing the login URL. Passing the sign up URL. We're chilling, we're balling, we're golden, we're cruising. Oops. Auth page. Nope. Alright, click login. If I click this link, no, I should make this waiting for you to log in at, and then the URL string, right? I feel like that looks a little bit cleaner, more professional. Instead of like, if you haven't, please open. Okay, nice. I like this a lot. We are fucking cooking. Okay, so now that we have the authentication page open, or now that we, have a way to log into the app, right, into the service, right? What we have to do next is twofold, right? Number one, hold on, let me think for a moment. Yeah, so number one, right, is that we need to, let me back up. Okay, I was talking earlier about how authentication works, right? This DL token shit, right, is just a random string that we generate, right? In this case, just a random UUID because it's easy. We pass that to the authentication server. And the authentication server, when the user logs in or signs up, right, creates a temporary API, like path, right, that lets you download, lets the client download the user's token for like 60 seconds, right? So now that we do this, once the user logs in, we need to download that token, or excuse me, yeah, download that token, right? So pass DL token as another argument. Just why not? Because I don't want to have to parse the URL. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Why is it saying this is wrong? Oh, to UUID. No, I just want the string. That was my fault. Okay, so, waiting for you to log in at whatever. Okay. So let's create a new, what are they called? Go routine. Dude, I write Go for a living. Well, I wrote Go for a living, you know. I'm unemployed now. Me at bootlegbilly.dev, you know, shoot me an email. I'll fucking, you know, I'll work there. Probably. Anyway, yeah, I wrote Go for a living, and I don't know what the fuck. Go routines, that's what they're called. Go routines. I like that, because they're co-routines, Go routines. Anyway, let's spawn a new Go routine in over here. I feel confident, you know. I feel confident for the first time in my life whenever I fucking write my own code, which is probably a, you know, sign that I'm a shit programmer, but whatever. Damn, this Minecraft music is going crazy. Holy shit, who composed this? Hold on. Oh, this is a C418? This is like still classic Minecraft? Yo, big fucking shout out to C418. Going fucking crazy on the beat. God damn. Anyway. Okay. So, I've done this before. I implemented this in the CLI, right? The authentication bullshit. So I'm just gonna go there, to be quite honest. It might be in the BFSP. It might be in the Go protocol. There's a library for the file server. It's called BFSP. The Go port is called BFSP-Go. It's kind of the main developed port, to be honest. But you know, it's all the same. Anyway, well, no, not even true, because the Rust server is also always up to date, obviously, because the Rust server is the whole business. Scrumptious. Oh, for those of you who aren't wondering what the fuck I'm drinking, get a good look here. Creatine water. Oh yeah. Now creatine is like mostly tasteless, right? Except for if you put a fuck ton in it like I did. Because I'm trying to reload up. Whatever. So it tastes like shit. That's what I'm saying. It sucks. It tastes like fucking ass. But I'm gonna keep drinking it. Anyway, okay. Is it get DL token? Is that the fucking function? Oh my god, I made this BFSP function. That's so awesome. Okay, bfsp.get DL token, right? Big central URL, local host :4000, right? Yeah, that's it. Anyway, and the download token is this bullshit. Hold on, boys. I gotta. Okay. Anyway. Yeah. So token error, right? If error is not equal to nil, we just panic. We just fucking crash the whole function, because errors aren't a real thing, guys. They're made up. Anyway, so once we get that DL token, we should set, is set content, is this like a safe function to call from a Go routine? I wouldn't imagine. Oh, okay, it is. Awesome. That's cool. Okay, good shit. There's locks. God bless. All right. BRB. I had to use the bathroom for like 1 minute. I'll be right back. I'm still going to the bathroom. I don't know if my mic is on my AirPod. I don't think so, but I don't want to risk that shit. What's up, fuckers? I'm back. Really? We missed you. Guys, I know. I missed me too, to be quite frank. Ad stats. Do I have ads on my fucking streams? I don't think so. No, I don't. Yeah, I was gonna say. I'm too brokey to get ads. Anyway, let's get it. Maybe I should upload these fucking VODs so someone sees this shit. Anyway, okay. So, once we get that token, right, we can do a few magical fucking things, right? We can, yeah, we can create a new client, which I think is enough, actually, right? IIRC, if I remember correctly. Oh, fuck, we need to pass in that new context. Oh, no, we do. Okay, never mind, it's fine. Yeah, we can just go into fucking... Oh, no, we should move this shit into in-app state. LOL, that's what I meant to say. Wait, should we? Master key from context. Fuck, fuck! Sorry, I stopped blowing into my mic. It's like my favorite cute little party trick. But, shit, fuck, son of a bitch. Okay, goddamn, fuck. Okay, that's fine. Let me back up. Dude, I cannot post this shit on YouTube. Shit, man. Okay, I need to make sure. Sorry, one sec. Okay, I need to make sure, right? So BBFS is an end-to-end encrypted file server, right? Because of that, I need to make sure. Ow, son of a bitch. So I cracked my knuckle. It hurt. Because of that, right? The encryption key needs to be based off of something. In this case, I based it off the user's password because I'm fucking stupid. There's a better way to do it, and I'm planning on writing a whole migration thing at some point, but like that's another day's thing, right? MVP, minimum viable product, right? Just because you can't reset your password doesn't mean it's a bad service. Anyway. I mean, there's no password reset functionality anyway, but like, it doesn't matter. Anyway, the point of what I'm saying, right, is I need the user to enter in their password after authenticating, and I think that is such a fucking dog shit awful service. Like, it's such a bad as a user, I would fucking hate that. So I actually need to I sound like Darman, Jesus Christ. I need to pivot for a moment, right, and work on Big Central, right, work on the authentication server to add the functionality so that we somehow store the encryption key in a way that sorry, I'm licking my fucking lips. We have to store the user's password on the server, encrypted very briefly, so that we can then download that from the DL token shit. Cool, let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, so first things first, right? We'll close this shit out for a second. Let's head into Billy's Big Fuck. Come on. Emacs, buddy. Emacs, baby. Don't do this to me. Okay, there we go. Big Central, right? Lib, Big Central Web, controllers, API controllers. Is it? Okay, this is the DL token API, right? So we should return not just why can't I download the server's public key? Why can't I download the server's public key? What is this? What is this for? This is probably some internal internal API. I don't know why. Why did I do? Why did I do this? Why did I do this? This is so odd. Hold on. This is like a fucking relic. I might delete this functionality. I don't know where this is used. Because the token key is symmetric. It's not like anything like that. Dude, my fans are going fucking crazy. My laptop fans are going insane. I hope I hope the mic is not picking that shit up. Hold on. It looks like the mic might in fact be picking that shit up. Hold on, son of a bitch. Testing. Okay, that seems to be better. It's still picking up my loud ass fans, but not as badly. I don't know if we're using this anywhere, but we shouldn't. I mean, the public. No, what the fuck am I yapping about? It has to be. It can't be symmetric if there's a public key from private function. That's weird. I just don't get why I'd ever expose this. It just doesn't matter. I'm pretty sure that. Okay. I'm gonna delete. Hold on. What the fuck is token private key? I'm like reading through somebody else's code right now. I don't know why the fuck I did this shit. You probably should document your code, Billy. Anyway. Oh, it's for generating new tokens. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I think I know why. So if some third-party app wanted to validate a token. Okay. I see what I was doing. So in order to validate tokens in Biscuit, which Biscuit's an authentication framework, we can talk about it if there's nobody on, this is just me talking to myself. But Biscuit is an authentication framework, whatever protocol, blah blah blah. It's a way of, it's like macarons or like JWTs. Anyway, in order to be able to validate a Biscuit, you need the public key of the private key that first created the Biscuit. I currently just throw the public key on the file server, but I guess I guess the original plan was like the file server would ping the fucking the authentication server to get the public key. And I guess for third-party apps, this isn't bad. This is fine. I'll leave this. Cool tangent. Cool tangent, Billy. You like me calling myself in the third person? I think it's funny. Nobody else is gonna think it's fun. Well, no one's watching. But I gotta stop. Whenever I get shitty about having no viewers, that's when the fucking stream goes to shit, in my opinion. Anyway. I want to return a JSON object from, this is so loud, from the API controller thingy. I don't know how to do that in fucking Elixir though. So return JSON Elixir Phoenix. How do I look on cam? Actually, I didn't even check. I don't love that. That's alright. Why the fuck is that? Why is the camera so far away from me? I don't have an actual webcam. I'm using my laptop's webcam. Can you tell? My lips look so fucking red. Let me make this up a little bigger. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Anyway, yeah, man, I just want to return JSON in Elixir. Oh, in Elixir Phoenix specifically, but okay, cool. There's hex docs on it. Awesome. I'm not doing the gen JSON shit. I gotta be honest. I know it's fine. I don't do it. can you please show me some example? Okay, so if I just return a map, that works. Okay. What? What the fuck is going on? Okay, I think I can just return a map in put view JSON. Sick. Okay. Put no text. Text is not right, right? I don't know. JSON encode map elixir. That's what I needed to be searching in the first place. Okay. Oh, poison. Okay, cool. Response is equal to. Come on. There we go. Token is token. That's it. And then obviously we'll return master. Oh, encrypted master key is nothing for now, of course. Res. Okay, and then we want to pass that into poison. What? Is poison not built into whatever the fuck it's called? Elixir Phoenix. Oh. There's a JSON function. I might be a silly guy. I might be a silly motherfucker. Okay. Return JSON Elixir Phoenix. If there's a right way to do this, right? I should do this the right way. There's literally a JSON function. Let's just do that. Let's just jump into it. Right? Okay. So let's do connection and then pass that into the JSON. I'm such a silly motherfucker. I'm such a silly guy. Yo, Frosty F4. Holy fuck, dude. It's been a minute, man. How have you been, dude? Holy shit. Yo, that's awesome. Dude, I haven't... Good shit, man. That's so fucking good. Dude, I haven't streamed in a long ass time, man. I've been busy as fuck. But I got time these past, these couple weeks, you know what I'm saying? So I've been working on I've been doing a lot of programming during my free time now. Okay, good shit. Dude, okay, remind me. I know we've talked before, but what were you up to last time that we talked? You were a student, I think, right? I'm sorry, it's been a long fucking time, dude. Yeah, okay, fucking sick. Good shit, man. How's what are you programming again? And high school student. Yeah, you're a high school student. I remember that, man. Yeah. Dude, okay, good stuff. What have you been programming? Pet projects and stuff. Also, do you have a GitHub? That's my follow-up question. If you have a GitHub, you can either link it in chat or just whisper it to me if my whispers are open. It's hard for me to brainstorm. I get that, dude. I've been on stream this whole time just yapping about nothing. Yeah, I do have a GitHub now. Do you want to whisper it to me, or if not, you could post it in chat if you feel comfortable. It's up to you. But yeah, I mean, okay. Here, I'll put up my private, my little browser off screen to check out later. Okay, good stuff though, man. What have you been up to, man? What have you been, what projects have you been working on? You said you've been doing a lot of programming in your free time now. Oh, working on Uno slowly. Interesting. Okay. I assume like you mean like the. Oh, that's kind of fun. Okay, it's like a full Uno game. I've been busy lately with schoolwork and cross country. That's chilling, bro. Oh shit, dude, you run cross country? That's awesome. I ran track and we had this conversation. I think it's been a long time, but I ran track and field. Long time ago, man. Yeah, we did. Okay, I thought so. Oh, dude, it's so nice seeing a familiar face in chat, man. That's sick. So with the Uno project, are you writing it in JavaScript or something like that, or is it like a full is it like a full client and backend thing? Python. Okay, cool. That's fun. Is it local only, or is it like multiplayer? If it's multiplayer, dude, I'd play it on stream with you. That could be fun. If that ever gets, if you ever finish with that. Let's put you on the spot though. I know any side project is hard. Multi right now. That's fucking sick, dude. I'm gonna guess. I haven't written like Python in a long time, but I'm gonna guess using Flask to write the backend. What's your code editor, anyways? Emacs, Doom Emacs. It is some fuck shit. Hold on, I'll pull it up. So, because I hate talking to women, right? I use I use Emacs, which is a open source editor. Is it hard to set up? Kind of, man. It's not too bad though. It's not too bad. Like the default setup that Doom Emacs has is really nice. Like just that, you'll probably be good. If you use Vim, it's like Vim key bindings mixed with Doom with Emacs key bindings. Match made in heaven. My actual, hold on. I think that my personal setup is open. If I can find it. As in, you can find the exact setup that I'm using. Nix config, yeah. Yeah, so over here, these are my Doom Emacs dot files. If you want to steal that. There we go, just sent it in chat. It's not too bad though, man. You just write a little bit of Lisp, right? Like this is the custom stuff that I have. It's not too much. Lisp is kind of weird, but it's fun, in my opinion. But yeah, though, man, yeah. The thing I'm working on to backtrace a little bit is an end-to-end encrypted file server called BBFS. It's probably what I was working on last time we talked. But in this case, man, it's interesting because I mean it's getting close to usable. You think Frosty F4 asked, you think a 3-year of programming experience should switch from VS Code to Emacs? Dude, honestly, I say use whatever's good for you, man. Like if you like VS Code and you learn the keybinds and stuff like that, and you get really advanced VS Code and you love it, I say go for it, man. If I'm gonna be frank, bro, the main reason I started running Emacs is when I was younger, I had a really shit laptop. I mean, I'm talking like 4 gigs of RAM, 2 gigs of RAM. That was like that was my life for a long time. So I couldn't run VS Code. You know, boohoo sob story. But because of that, I'd run Vim, and then after I started running Vim a lot, I got into NeoVim. And then after I used NeoVim a lot, I got into Emacs. And then, yeah. I used VS Code briefly. It's not bad, though, at all, man. How much programming experience do you have again? It's been a while. Oh yeah, with only 3 years, dude. 3 years is fine. That's a good that's a good amount, dude. That's a solid amount. Um, are you going to university for like software development or like computer science or whatever? Yeah, I am. That's fucking sick, dude. That's awesome. I strongly recommend. So I'm on the job hunt right now. I no longer work for Fly, unfortunately. Nothing bad, you know. Well, not nothing bad. I mean, like, it's a great company to work for. I loved working there when I did. But I'm getting to experience like the job hunt again for the software development industry. And like, bro, my biggest piece of recommendation is like have some resume, like have some projects, you know what I'm saying, under your belt. Like that Uno project, dude, that is such a good like GitHub portfolio project. In my opinion, that's awesome. But yeah, the biggest thing I'm noticing is that a lot of places want to see my portfolio. You know what I mean? But I mean, I guess this is a portfolio project in a way. Yeah. So what I'm working on right now is I am let me back up. But don't they give you like random ass hard lead code questions for interviews? Depends on where you go, man. So for Fly.io, for example, I like saying the full name because in press releases they made us say not made us, but they asked us to say the full name of the company instead of just Fly. So Fly.io. Anyway, for them, I didn't get any leak code questions. Thank God. I got like hey, uh, design your way around this distributed system problem, right? Or implement uh, a proxy server in Golang, right? And I'm thinking about what I say because I don't want to say anything private about the company, but I think that's pretty public on like Glassdoor. Yeah, like my interview question was like implement a proxy server in Rust, right? A TCP proxy that can handle like a bunch of concurrency and a bunch of other shit, right? Like that's not too really difficult, man. It's just more about knowing the concepts. Some places though ask you hard ass leak code questions, and for those places, I'd probably study it up. um, I'm currently applying to two places. I don't want to talk too much about it yet though until I get the job or get rejected. But for both of those, I don't really think that I'm gonna get like leak code questions. I think it'll be more just like technical questions to make sure I understand like the space I'm trying to get into. Um, yeah, because most people just grind leak code for job interviews. Dude, like it's good. Don't get me wrong, grinding leak code's good in my opinion, right? Because I mean, like those data structures and algorithms problems, depending on where you work, are really important to be able to know. But like there's a lot more to it though than that. You know what I mean? Like I'd say in order of importance, networking, not like not like computer networking, like knowing the right people, right? Or being friends with the right people, having a very strong work history or educational history, portfolio, right? Like having a bunch of side projects that you've done that are like actually interesting or show off your skills. And then at the very bottom, I'd put like, being able to grind out a leak code problem on a whiteboard at a Google interview. It's still useful to know, dude. If you're applying to Google, you should know that shit, man. Like by heart. Because they'll ask you some weird, stupid, like reverse a binary tree type of shit. But for anywhere else, man, like I'd really, really focus on like, yeah, like networking interviews or excuse me, internships and shit like that. Getting that portfolio down, having a strong like GPA in college for a lot of companies helps a lot. Well, in high school too, as well. If you're trying to get into a job straight out of high school, I don't want to assume anything, but yeah, man, that's what I would say. Though, do get the leak code. I just say like that project. I'd probably focus on like that three times more than leak code. What's considered strong for a college GPA? Man, fuck if I know. Dude, my okay. Let me be like serious for a second. My GPA is not great. I'll be real, man. My college GPA was not great. It is not great. I struggled a lot with like depression and overworking myself for my first half of college. I'm doing way better now, but yeah, not to fucking rant about my life though. I'd say, man, have like anything above a 3.5 is gonna make you stand out, be like above other applicants, right? Especially in college, like a 3.5, 3.6. If you can get a 4, dude, I mean, like for a lot of like you'll be swimming in internships. So I can guarantee that much. But I have a friend whose GPA is like just fine, and she gets a lot of internships just from I mean, being a great worker. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I mean, like, get those internships in college if you can, dude. It'll help you so much with getting employed later in life. Sorry, one sec. Also, man, I'm thinking I'm gonna stream not every single day, because I do have a life, unfortunately, outside of this. But I'm probably gonna start streaming more or less daily until I can get employed again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you wanna hop in, anytime. Oh yeah, the project. Okay, I'm working on authentication right now for the app for fuck shit. I'm gonna click that. For the app for BBFS. Yeah, that involves some changes to the authentication server though, which I'm working on now. So besides Python though, what other languages do you know? Which is, it's fine if it's just Python. To be clear, man, Python's fucking great. That's a very, very strong like all-around language. Python, JavaScript, and Java right now. That's sick, man. If you're trying to get fucking employed, that's the stack, man. That's pretty solid. Yeah, just have a solid grasp on all three. Have some like passion projects or side projects or whatever. Get an internship. If you can get a paid internship, dude, that like where you write JavaScript or Python. I'm gonna learn Lua when I have time. Fucking Lua's sick too, dude. I never got the. Well, I haven't learned Lua yet, mostly just because. Wait, I'm confused. Sorry. Oh, Python's similar to Lua. Okay, that makes sense. Let me look up Lua. I don't actually know what Lua code looks like. I wanted to learn for a game engine I was writing a long time ago, but I kind of gave up on that project. This is like years ago. Let me see. Man, can I fucking... I don't want Google. Okay, this is weird. I can't click on anything. Okay, odd. Let me open up the browser again. Okay, there we go. Oh, that is really similar. Interesting. Okay. This looks like weirdly like Golang a little bit, honestly. Although all languages look the same, to be honest. Why do you want to learn Lua, out of curiosity? Is it for like game engine development? I think, does Unreal use Lua? As a plugin. I think Unity uses Lua, doesn't it? As its like main, my voice crack, as its main like application programming language, or Roblox. I think it's Roblox. There we go. I'm just rambling about game engines, but yeah, man, good shit. Lua's not Python, JavaScript, Java, and Lua is a fucking interesting stack. Or that is like a good all around. That's great, man. Okay. Now where was I? Okay, yeah. So I'm changing the API, the DL token API, to return okay, it's return JSON. That's what I was doing. I remember now. So JSON RESP. Let's just fuck with this real quick. So if I go to the DL API, right? DL token is equal to T is equal to blah 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 blah. Is that not it? Fuck. I don't remember the actual path for the API. Oh, API/v1. Okay, that makes more sense. I would do some shit like that. Okay. Oh, that's Jason. Yeah, that's fucking great, dude. Let me check the network real quick to see if it's returning application/Jason. Okay, Frosty F4 asked if someone's trying to learn programming and they're trying to do problems like LeetCode, will that help them to code projects? It's been a minute, bro. Correct me if I'm wrong. LeetCode are like a really algorithmic style, like data structures and algorithms types of problems, right? Yeah, it is. I mean, I guess a lot of. Okay, let me back up. I'm really biased, right? At Fly, and the jobs I'm trying to go for now, work on distributed systems a lot, right? Like, big systems that need to be able to handle a lot of load, right? So, because I have to get smarter now. I mean, no, dude, yeah, no, LeetCode isn't bad. LeetCode's not bad. I mean, if you want to work on LeetCode, bro, grind out LeetCode. That shit will definitely help you. I just think that personal projects help you to learn a lot about, like, not just writing code, if that makes sense, and a lot more about, like, solving user problems. You know what I'm saying? In, like, efficient ways. LeetCode's good, though. Do LeetCode. I 100% do LeetCode. I think that will actually help a lot. I just don't think it'll help you to learn how to make projects, if that makes sense. I feel like those are two separate problems you're trying to solve. LeetCode with algorithm stuff, and then trying to learn how to write projects helps you to, like, learn the language, learn how to use stuff like Git. You learn how to create big projects and organize them in a way that's, like, readable. You know what I'm saying? Publishing libraries, downloading libraries. Let me think, what else? Especially if you collaborate with somebody on a project, dude. That's so good for learning how to effectively communicate and work as a team on a programming project. Anyway, so to answer your question, man, instead of giving a long ass, I don't think it'll help you to learn to code projects. I think it'll help you to learn algorithms. It'll help you to learn LeetCode. Still useful, right? Still a good thing, but just not the same skill set, if that makes sense. Oops. Okay, wait, is this returning Jason? Let me double check. Response. Okay. Not the request headers, in the response headers. Okay, Jason, awesome. This is perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Okay, so over here, right? When a user first creates a DL token, I don't know where that comes from. Yeah, grinding out LeetCode is alright, but it gets boring too. I 100% agree, dude. Do you have this Uno project on your GitHub by chance? I actually wouldn't mind checking it out on stream, if that's okay with you, of course. That could be interesting. Yeah, it ain't finished yet. That's alright, man. Nah, that's alright, no worries. Well, okay, if you ever do, I mean, even if it's half finished, bro, I wouldn't mind checking it out. But it's chilling if not, once again. There's no issue. Yeah, though, finish that Uno project. That's actually cool. If I were a hiring manager, or I worked on hiring, and I was looking through your portfolio, right? Stuff like that gives me a perfect opportunity to see what you kind of do. The repo's private, by the way. The Uno repo that you sent in chat just now. Here. Oops. Fuck. Yeah, here. I'll show you. Oh, well, I can't post. Yeah, repo's private, man. I can't see it. If you just public it, though, I'll check it out. Sorry, guys. Give me 1 second. Once it's public though, I'll make sure to check that out. If you go into settings, by the way, in your repo, scroll all the way down, and then it's like change visibility to public private. Here, I'll send you a follow too. Boop. There we go. Perfect. Okay. I actually don't know what the API is called for uploading the DL token. Oh no, hold on. I know what it is. Okay, so Big Central Web live, user live. Okay, so DL token is that, right? So whenever you sign in or sign up, it does some shit. Yeah, save DL token. That's the function. So I need save DL token now, not just the token, but also the master encrypted master key. Okay, which does nothing for now. That's fine. Damn, this is gonna be a lot of work. Okay, so in here, right? I need to add a new migration to DL token, to the DL token table, to store an encrypted master key as well. So let's head into Big Central. Ecto.migrate, right? Ecto.migrate. No, gen.migration. Add master key to DL tokens. Nice. Okay. So in Big Central, let's go priv, repo, migrations, add master key to DL tokens, right? So this change, hold on, I actually don't know. I don't know off the top of my head how to add a field to a existing table with Elixir Phoenix. So, excuse me. Look up how to do that. Add field to existing table. Elixir Phoenix. No, Elixir Ecto is what it's called. All right. Yeah. Amazing commentary. Okay, alter table. That's what I'm doing, and then add. That's perfect. That's great. Okay, so alter table. DL tokens. Add encrypted master key. Let's have that be text for now. We can just like base64 encode it or something. Yo, Frosty, by the way, your repo, the Uno repo is private last time I checked. Hold on. I want to make sure I typed in your thing right. Oh, you're making it public right now. My fault, bro. I'm sorry. Yeah, just let me know when you do. Cool. Okay. Encrypted master key text. Awesome. Okay, the next problem is weird. So we need to send up the encrypted version of the master key only if the DL token query parameter is specified in the JavaScript for the site. So, let's see. Sick. Okay. Here, let me actually open this up on my regular shit. Oops. Man, what isn't open? Okay, there we go. Okay, bet Uno, big star. Okay, this is interesting. So uno.py. You said that's my code as of right now. Okay. Okay, a bunch of different cards. I like it, I like it. Amount card, 7. Oh, is this in the CLI? Okay, that's kind of sick. Hold on, let me see if I can get this shit running. That's kind of sick, dude. Okay. Okay. Forgive me, I'm gonna make sure there's no malware so I don't fuck my system. Looks fine to me. What is checking if players are the same color? Okay, just some test shit. Okay, let's run this now. Fuck yeah. Okay, player 1, your cards are red plus. Okay, so give me some random cards. Okay. Let's throw in a card. Current card's red 6. Let's throw in my red plus 2. True, okay. Hold on, did that add 2 cards to player 1? Let me make sure. Oh shit. Okay. Player 1, your cards are this. Player 2, throw in a card. Let's throw in my blue 3. This shouldn't work. Oh, red plus 2 doesn't give 2 cards to the player. Okay, I got you. You're still implementing it. That's fine, man. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. False. Okay. So if I play an incorrect card, it ends the game. I gotcha. I can't skip, I don't think either, right? Okay. That's chilling. That's chilling, bro. Yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. This is a work in progress, man. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, interesting. I need to somehow tell the player to re-enter another card. Okay, let me think about how I do this in the CLI. I probably have the option to either, like, give the player like 3 options, right? Or 2 options. 1, play a card, and then option 2 is to like draw another card, right? So like if they type in 1, then you give a separate prompt for which card. If they type in 2, then it adds a new card to their hand from the draw pile, and then the game keeps going until like they get a card that they can play. That's how I would do it personally. This is sick though, man. I dig it. Dude, you want to make this like network multiplayer too? Is that what you said? Because if that's the case, that's kind of awesome. In the future, yes. Okay. That's fucking awesome, dude. That's super sick. Especially with this being in the CLI. Yeah, hold on, man. Is there another? This might be the first of its kind because I haven't heard of an Uno CLI, like an Uno CLI multiplayer project. Let me search on GitHub real quick. Uno multiplayer CLI. God damn it. There's one. Okay, there's two other projects that do a multiplayer CLI Uno, right? But being one of 3, brother, is not bad, and that's still fucking sick. Once again, if I were a recruiter, my eyes would open a little bit at seeing that. That's awesome, man. Good shit. Fucking, if you got some progress next time I stream, man, let me know. Eventually, once you get deep enough into it. Oh, that could be really interesting. God damn. Yeah, I'll improve it for sure. Good shit, man. It's a good start, though. It's a good fucking start. 100%. Okay, so let's add the encrypted master key to DL tokens. Add a new field called master key. Text. So I can code the project in multiple languages, right? I mean, yeah, man, you could have a front end. Well, in this case, the front end's a CLI that you're making, right? But a front end in Python, and then a back end in like Java or JavaScript, for example. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. That'd be cool. Plus, it could help flex your like multilingual or multi-language muscles a little bit. Yeah. Sorry, one sec. You want to get deep into Java for sure? I'll make a backend. Fuck yeah, man. That's awesome. Once again, keep me updated on that. That is actually really cool. What's stringing? Elixir, not text. Okay, that's fine. Okay, deal tokens. Deal tokens. I've added the encrypted master key shit. Let me just run a quick little migration. Ecto.migrate. Okay, cool. Migrations ran. So then, next up, what I need to do, right, is in the JavaScript over here. Well, TypeScript, but whatever. Let's do like signup.ts, for example. I need to check if the DL token query parameter exists, right? And then if that's the case, I need to add a new input element called like encrypted master key or something. Sure, man. That's what I'm doing. What's a good thing about Linux versus Windows on programming? Good question. If I'm being like, okay, let me think about this for a second. Most servers in the world run Linux, right? Like, I wouldn't say 100%, but there's probably like a good number, like 90%. What percent of servers run Linux, right? Over 96%. Yeah, that makes sense. And that's just web servers. There's so many backend processing servers and shit. Anyway, knowing how to use Linux will help you quite a bit in like get working. You know what I mean? Because you don't have to get introduced to like the terminal and all that shit and like a bunch of Linux commands and Linux isms. Like, you just know them. Regarding like programming in and of itself, I prefer it on Linux just because I really like working from the terminal, and the Linux terminal is like top tier. It's the best of the best, right? Because the whole experience is built around the terminal compared to like the Windows PowerShell, which I'm not a huge fan of. So I guess that's the main advantage. Windows is fine though. There's nothing wrong with using Windows on the desktop. I say just knowing how to mess with like a Linux server is probably going to be helpful in the future. Especially with stuff like Docker being very, very popular nowadays. And Docker is pretty much Linux exclusive. You can't run like a Windows Docker image. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's my final answer. Let's get a little JavaScripting going. Let's encrypted master key to HTML input element. Okay, I gotta think about how to do this right. I need to encrypt it in a way that only the app and the client can see it. I could use the DL. Okay, I cannot use the DL token. Oh, okay. So is calculus and linear algebra really impacted on software engineering or game dev? Calculus and linear algebra. I mean, it's good to know, dude. I wouldn't say it really helps with like software engineering, though, calculus and linear algebra. They help a lot with computer science in college, right? And if you want to go into like theoretical, like software stuff, or go into academia, probably extremely useful. As for game dev, linear algebra I know is very, very, very helpful for game dev, from the very little that I've done. I don't know about calculus, but I'm also not a professional. I'm not a professional game dev. You know what I mean? I say linear algebra helps though. Yeah, if you want to take like a side like Udemy course or Khan Academy course on that. Jesus, my voice is cracking. I'm gonna get some more water. I'll be right back. Back and I brought myself a couple cookies, so I'm chilling. I'm good. Man, I look like a fucking nerd. Jesus Christ. Anyway, okay, so document.creates elements, encrypted master key. Okay, so for the DL token thing, I probably need to pass in, excuse me, not only a DL token, but as a query parameter, or not a query parameter, I need to secretly pass in a public key. Not necessarily has to be secretive, but I don't need the server seeing the public key. But I need to pass that to the client in order to encrypt the master key with. Yeah, okay. So, I gotta think about how to do this. Okay, firstly, right? Let's go into... Sorry, let me think for a sec. Okay, so what I'm doing basically, right, is whenever you pass in something with like a hashtag to the server, right? It's called a query fragment. That data is not passed to the server, right? The question mark shit is, the hashtag shit is not, right? So I can use that to my advantage though to store some data that only the client, that only the browser sees, that's never sent up to the server on purpose, right? Because the server doesn't need to see this information, right? Sure. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first things first, I need to get the query fragment, right, which is going to have the encrypted the public key for the app. Where do I do query fragment bullshit? Probably in view file or in file view. What the fuck? Okay, there we go. URL.hash. Okay, that's what it's called in JavaScript. Let's URL. Okay, let public key equal URL.hash. And URL is the document URL. This is also a constant. Public key string, right? What encryption algorithm should I use for the public-private bullshit? Because I'm gonna have to import some new like dependency. I don't know. Fuck. God damn it! This is a lot more work than I thought it'd be. Son of a bitch, man. Okay. I should be more professional on stream and not say cuss so much, but it's probably fine. Anyway, let me think for a second. Okay, so first things first. There's a WebAssembly library I made, written in Rust, to do some compute. I can delete like 99% of this at some point, but just not right now. I'll create a new function called pub function public private encrypt, right? Okay, let me go back though. I need to figure out encryption algorithm first. Let's ask AI. Why not, right? That sounds like it could be fun. I need to encrypt a small amount of text data using some kind of public, using some kind of asymmetric encryption algorithm. The algorithm needs to be fast, but also secure, since this data could potentially be stored for many years. Okay, sure. That's a fucking sick prompt. And no response from my large language model. It did not fuck with what I was saying. That's cool. I don't think StarCode is meant to be asked questions like that. Let me use like Hermes or something. Okay, give that a sec to boot up. Same exact question. RSA. Okay. RSA is fine. Or I can't speak. Holy fuck. RSA is fine. I was hoping I could use some more like funky algorithm, but I probably should stick to the basics. Okay. RSA library. Rust. There you go. That's my fucking search. Okay, cool. Perfect. RSA implementation in pure Rust. That's sick. Okay. Cool. What is the library called? Oh, it's a Rust crypto library. Okay, I can trust this shit. Rust crypto is a very good working group for, Rust crypto, like cryptography algorithms and shit in Rust. They do great. They do amazing work. They do fucking excellent shit. Okay. RSA. Is it just called RSA? That's sick. I fuck with it. Okay, RSA 0.9.6 is what we're going to be importing. Who knew we were writing Rust, Go, and Elixir today? Fully cross the stack, man. RSA equals version is equal to 0.9. Okay. Will it compile to WebAssembly? If it's pure Rust, it'll probably compile to WASM. So that's fine. Okay. So I need to make sure I can import the same private key, right? I need to make sure that the private key format is the same across the Rust and the Elixir code, but I think it should be. Yeah, from components. Okay, where's like, how can I just get it from a string? Because I know there's a format for RSA private keys. Okay, you know what? This is fine. This will work. Okay. So pub function. Let's say RSA encrypt. Pass in the public key as a string, and the data as, yeah, perfect. Look at that. Do I have my Copilot on or something? And then we'll return a vacuate. Forget the Rust language server shit. This is really good. Okay. Public key. What? Oh. RSA, right? Public key. Okay, the struct is called RSA public key from. Okay, from public key PKCS8 from public key pen. Okay, perfect. And public key. Yeah, it returns a result, just unwrap for now. Yeah, we're not returning a vec yet, that's fine. Okay, so public key dot encrypt. Okay, we need an RNG. Had I imported rand? I haven't, fuck. Okay, let's do that now. WebAssembly cargo.toml rand is equal to version. No, hold on. Yeah, version is equal to 0.8. I know there's some fuck shit you have to do to get rand to work with WebAssembly. Okay, add a direct dependency of get random with the JS feature. Cool. Let's do that. Equals version is equal to star features is equal to JS. Awesome. Okay. Okay, sorry. Let me make sure that this will compile first before I do anything else. WebAssembly, cargo, C? Nope. Get random does not have the feature JS. Okay, cool. Cool. But it literally does. Did I spell get random wrong? Is that it? Okay, let's do 0.2. Okay, nice. Let's also update all my dependencies, because I haven't updated this library in months, probably. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, okay, get random rand. Okay, cool, let's get it. So I've imported rand. Shit, yo, it is 11:30. I've got to go to bed. God damn it. Let me finish with this first, at the very least. Okay. Dot unwrap, and then we return just encrypted data. Encrypted data. Rand. The red RNG. Okay, padding? What the fuck? What in the fuck is a padding? Okay, I'm not sure what padding is in public key. Okay, cool. I guess it's PKCS1V15 encrypt. That's what padding is. So let's go there. Let's do that shit. PK, yeah, all that shit. And then the message is just the data. Fucking nice, boys. And we don't really need a decrypt function right now, so this is fucking excellent. All right, though. This has been a long stream. It's been nearly 2 hours. And it's getting late, so I am gonna go to bed. Good night, y'all. Thanks for watching, hanging out. That's it. Bye. See you guys. Ciao. Goodbye.